I'll complete this lesson by solving the ministerial equation. Let us start. Find the point of intersection of these two functions, f of x and g of x. I set f of x equal to g of x and solve it to find the value of x. Take all terms to the one side, plus x power 2 minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0, 2 minus 2, then x power 2 minus x minus 2x minus 3x equal to 0. Analyze by x minus 3, then either x equal to 0 or x equal to 3, 0, 3. Choice number D. I'll skip 2 because I solved it before. Question number 3. Find the point of intersection of these two functions. I set negative 3x plus 3, absolute value plus 2 equal to negative 4. I can multiply both sides by negative. Then 3x plus 3 minus 2 equal to 4. Since I have absolute value here, I must remove it to solve this equation. Equal to 3x plus 3 when x greater than or equal to find the joint point here, I must solve 3x plus 3 equal to 0 for x, then 3x equal to negative 3, x equal to negative 1. Then the joint point is negative 1. Or negative 3x plus 3 when x less than negative 1. I solve both cases here to find the value of x. Set 3x plus 3 absolute value equal to 3x plus 3, the first case, 3x plus 3 minus 2 equal to 4. Then 3x, 3 minus 2, 1. Take it to the other side, negative 1. 4 minus 1, it's 3, then x equal to 1. 1 greater than or equal to negative 1? Yes, it is greater than, then it is intersection point. For the other case, 3 absolute value 3x plus 3 equal to negative 3x plus 3 minus 2 equal to 4. Open this bracket, minus 3x minus 3 minus 2 equal to 4. Then minus 3x equal to negative 3, negative 2, negative 5. Take it to the other side, positive 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Then x equal to 9 over negative 3, it is negative 3. Negative 3 less than negative 1, yes, it is intersection point. Then I have two intersection point, 1 and negative 3. 1 and negative 3, it is B and C, choice number D. Example or question number 4, find the intersection point of these two graphs. Two linear graph, it is easy. 2x minus 1 equal to 2 minus x. Take it to the one side, 2x minus 1 minus 2 plus x equal to 0. 2x plus x, 3x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Then 3x equal to 3, then x equal to 1. 1. To find the y coordinate, substitute in one of these two functions. 2 times 1, 1 minus 1, 1, it is 1, 1, choice number D. Question number 5, find the intersection point of these two graphs. I'll rewrite this function in standard form, x equal to 3 minus y power 2, then y power 2 equal to 3 minus x, then y equal to square root 3 minus x. Also, this function is in the standard form. Then I set square root 3 minus x equal to x minus 1, square both sides, 3 minus x equal to x minus 1 power 2, open this bracket, x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Take all terms to one side, x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. X power 2 minus 2x plus x minus x, 1 minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. Analyze by experiment, x, negative, negative, positive, negative, 2, 1. Either x equal negative 1 or x equal to 2. Negative 1, 2. Choice number B. Intersection. Question number 6. Find which value of x, verifying f of x equal g of x, where f of x is 2x plus 4 and g of x equal x minus 1. Let us solve this question and see which value of verifying f of x equal to g of x. Set f of x equal to g of x. This will give me 2x plus 4 equal to x minus 1. 2x plus 4 minus x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus x, it's x. 4 plus 1, it's 5. Then x equal negative 5. Choice number D. Question number 8. Which value of x, verifying f of x equal to g of x? F of x is x plus 6. G of x is x power 2 plus 6. 6 with this 6, then x power 2 minus x equal to 0. Factorize by x, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equals 0 or x equal 1. Then B and C. Choice number D. A and C. There is two intersection point for these two graphs. Question number 10. Find the point of intersection of these two functions. X plus y equal 5. Write it in standard form. Y equal to minus x plus 5. Also this one, write it in the standard form. Then it will be 4y equal to 3x minus 1. Then y equal to 3x minus 1 over 4. Set f of x equal to g of x. Then minus x plus 5 equal to 3x minus 1 over 4. Multiply by 4 both sides. Minus 4x plus 20 equal to 3x minus 1. Set all term in one side. 3x plus 4x minus 20 minus 1 equal to 0. 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 21. Take it to the other side, it will be 21. X 21 over 7 equal to 3. Choice A. Question number 12. Find the point of intersection of these two graphs. Set the first one equal to the second one. Square both sides. 3 minus x equal x power minus 1, all power 2. Open this bracket. 3 minus x equal to x power 2 minus 2x plus 1. Take all term to one side. X power 2 minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 plus x equal to 0. Simplify. X power 2 minus 2x plus x minus x plus 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. By experiment, x minus 2, x plus 1, x power 2 minus 2x minus 2. Then either x equal to 2 or x equal to negative 1. Choice. Let me find the coordinate, the y coordinate of these 2 points when x equal 2, y equal 1. When x equal negative 1, it is negative 2. There is no negative 1, negative 2, but there is 2, 1. It is choice A. Question number 13. Find the point of intersection of these two graphs. 2. Set 2x power 4 equal to 7x power 2 plus 4. Take all term to one side. 2x to the 4 minus 7x power 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Here I have polynomial of degree 4. It is useful to convert it to polynomial of degree 2 to solve it by quadratic formula. Then I set t equal x power 2. Then it will be 2x power 4 will be t square. 2t square minus 7x power 2, it is t minus 4 equal to 0. Now I have a quadratic function. I solve it by the quadratic formula. T equal to minus b minus plus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then t will be equal minus b 49 minus 7 49 minus a plus square root b square 49 minus 4a times c negative 4 over 2a 2 times 2 equal to 49 minus a plus 49 minus times minus a plus 4 times 4 16 times 2 32 over 4. It will be 49 minus plus 49 plus 32, it's 81. Square root 81, it is 9 over 4. It is 9 over 4. Sorry, here it is minus b minus minus 7, it is 7. Now, when the sign is positive, 7 plus 9, 16 over 4, it is 4. And when the sign is negative, 7 minus 9 over 4, it is negative 2 over 4, it is negative 1/2. This value is are for t. Now I'll find the value of x by substituting in this equation. Let me complete this equation, this question here. When t equal 4, then 4 equal x power 2, then x equal negative positive 2. when t equal negative 1 half, then negative 1 half equal x power 2, then x equal minus plus square root negative 1 half. It is not real number. Then I have two value for x. Let me find the y coordinate of these two value. When x equal 2, substitute here or here. Let me substitute here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 7, 28 plus 2, 32. And when x equal negative 2, also 32, then I have two intersection point for these two graphs. In choices, he give me only 232, then the right choice is A. Question number 14, find the value of A where f of x equal 4x plus a, g of x, ax power 3 plus 2x minus 1 has a point of, these two function has a point of intersection at x equal 2. It is easy to find. I said when x equal to f of x is equal to g of x, then f of 2 equal to g of 2. This will give me 4 times 2 plus a equal to a 2 to the 3 plus 2 times 2 minus 1. Simplify to find a. 8 plus a equal to 8a plus 4 minus 1. Take the term with a to the one side. 8a minus a equal to 8 plus 4 minus 1, 3. Take it to the other side, negative 3. Then it will be 8a minus a, 7a, equal to 8 minus 3, 5. Then a equal to 5 over 7. 5 over 7, choice number D. Question number 16, find the point of intersection of these two graphs. I said f of x equal to g of x square both sides, then x plus 6 equal to negative x power 2 minus 4x. Take all term to one side, x power 2 plus 4x plus x plus 6 equal to 0. Then x power 2 plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Then by experiment, x plus plus, then plus plus 2, 3. Then x, either x equal to negative 2 or x equal to negative 3. When x equal negative 2, y coordinate will be square root 4, 2. When x equal to negative 3, it will be square root 3. Then I have negative 2, 2. It is choice B. Question number 18. Find the point of intersection of these two graphs. Write it in a standard form. Then y will be equal to x minus 1, and y here will be equal to x power 2 minus 3. Set x power 2 minus 3 equal to x minus 1. Take it to one side, x power x square minus x minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. then x power 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0, then x by experiment, negative, negative, positive, 2, 1. Either x equal to 2 or x equal to negative 1. When x equal 2, then y coordinate is 2 minus 1, 1. When x equal to negative 1, it is negative 2. Where is the right choice? It's A and B. Choice number D. Question number 19. Find the intersection point of these two graphs. Set f of x equal to g of x, square both sides. 5 minus x power 2 equal x minus 1 power 2. Open this bracket. X power 2 minus 2x plus 1. Take it to the one side. Then x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 minus 5 plus x power 2 equal to 0. X power 2 plus x power 2, 2x power 2 minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Divide by 2, then x power 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. By experiment, x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to or x equal to negative 1. When x equal 2, then 5 minus 4, 1. When x equal to negative 1, also 1. Where is the right choice? It is A. Question number 20. Find the intersection point for these two graphs. Set f of x equal to g of x. Take all terms to one side. X power 2 plus x power 2 minus 4x equal to 0. 2x power 2 minus 4x equal to 0. Factorize by x or divide by 2. Then it will be x power 2 minus 2x equal to 0. Factorize by x, x minus 2 equal to 0. Either x equals 0 or x equal to 2. When x equals 0, y also 0. When x equal 2, y it is 4. Then B and C. Choice number D. Question number 21. Which value of x verifying f of x equal to g of x, where f of x is 3x plus 3, g of x is x minus 5. Since we want to find the value of x that verifying f of x equal to g of x, I'll set f of x equal to g of x and find the value of x. 3x minus x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus x is 2x plus 8 equal to 0. 2x equal negative 8. X equal negative 4. Negative 4, it is choice B. Question number 23. Find the point of intersection of these two function. Set x power 2 plus 2 equal to 2. Then x power 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to 0. Choice A. Question number 26. Find B. where the graph of the function f of x equal square root minus x power 2 minus b plus minus x plus b passes through the point negative 3, 5. Since the graph of function passes through this point satisfies the equation of the function. Then, when y equal 5, x equal negative 3 equal to negative 3 square plus negative 3 plus b. I substitute every x with negative 3. Then 5 equal to square root minus 9 plus 3 plus b. Then 5 equal to minus 6 plus b. Square both sides. 25 equal to minus 6 plus b. Then b equal 25 plus 6 equal to 31. Choice C. Question number 27. It is similar to 26. Find the value of m where the graph of the function f of x equal x power 2 plus mx passes through the point 2, 1. Since the graph passes through the point satisfies the equation of the graph. When y equal 1, x it will be 2. 2 power 2 plus m times 2. Then 1 equal to 4 plus 2m. Then 2m equal to negative 3. Then m equal to negative 3 over 2. Choice B. Question number 28. Which table is for the function y equal kx plus 5? To find which table, I'll check one by one. I'll take 2 points in every table and substitute it in the function. The value of k should be equal. For the first point, when y 36, x equal 1, then k times 1 plus 5, this gives me k equal 31. 36 minus 5, 31. For the second point, when y equal 9, x equal 4, 4x plus 5, this gives me 4k plus this gives me 4k equal to 9 minus 5, k equal 1. Since the value of k it's not same, then it is not choice A. Let me check B. When y3 x1 k plus 5, then the value of k is equal negative 2. When y equal 24, x equal 4, 4k plus 5. This will give me 4k equal to 19. Then k equal to 19 over 4. It is not choice B. Choice table C. When y equal negative 9, x equal 1, k plus 5. This will give me k equal to negative 14. When y equals 6, x equal 4, 4k plus 5. Then 4k equal to 1, k equal to 1 over 4. Also, it is wrong. The last one, let me check it here. When y7, 1 plus k, x plus x times k, then 1 times k, k plus 5. This gives me k equal to 2. When y is 13, 4k plus 5, this will give me 13 minus 5 equal to 4k. 13 minus 5, it is 8. Then k equal to 2. It is the right choice. If I want to check the other point, when y equal 23, then x equal 9 plus 5. 23 minus 5 equal to 9k. 18 equal to 9k. K equal 18 over 9 to C is the right choice. Question number 30, the last question. Find the equation of the table. Here I have one table and 4 equation. I want to find which equation is for this table. The equation should satisfy all the points of the table. The right equation should satisfy all the equation of the table. Let me check the first one. When g of x 6, x equal negative 4, negative 4c, then c equal to 6 over negative 4 equal to negative 3 over 2. For the second point, y equal 3, then x negative 1, negative c. This gives me c equal to negative 3. It is wrong. For the second function, when y 6, x negative 4, negative 4 power 2, 16c, then c equals 6 over 16 by 2, 3 over 8. For the second point, 3 equal to negative 1 power 2, 1. It's c equal 3. Here c equal 3 over 8, so it is wrong choice. For equation 3, when h of x equals 6, then x equal negative 4, absolute value 4. Square root 4, 2, it's 2c, then c equals 6 over 2, 3. For the second point, 3 equal to negative 1, absolute value 1, square root 1, 1c, it is true. Then this one is right choice. Let me check the last one. When k of x equals 6, then x equal negative 4, c over negative 4. Here c is negative 24. When k of x equal 3, then c x equal negative 1. This gives me c equal negative 3. It is wrong. The right choice is C. See you next lesson.